Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today I have here another project. It's going to be really quick, nice and simple. I'm going to get right to the point. It's changing out the serpentine belt as you read it from the title. So let's get right into it. Walk over this way. So here's the serpentine belt that I'll be using. Okay, it's going to be very easy. Take out your air intake box. Okay, come down here, you know, light. And I already loosened it, but I'm going to show you where the tension bar is here. The tension is right here. I'm pointing. Let me put this light like this. See that? Right there. And push down on it. And then grab it from your alternator and peel it down. That's where we're at right here. So from there, all I have to do is just put the new belt on and then put everything back together. It's that simple. This applies to many other vehicles. Similar. Serpentine belt, just follow the directions. Also, a lot of vehicles, they'll have a diagram like so. Mine is going to be this one here. And that's it. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Guys, have a good one. Take care. Just wanted to show you that it's in. Fairly simple job. The toughest part on this vehicle was the tensioner right here. But other than that, we got it going. So up here, everything looks good. I'll show you down below. Just to review your work. Make sure nothing is touching, rubbing. As you can see, looking good, looking good. Here's the AC condenser. There's that tensioner. And we're good to start it up. Before that, I gotta put the air canister back in and call it a day. And there goes my keys. Yep, making videos, breaking things. Yeah.